Recording has started. The statement for Bayes' theorem is if E1 plus if you have n events, if E1, E2, En are mutually exclusive. Okay, they are mutually exclusive and exhaustive events. Okay, such that probability EI is not zero. Okay, probability should not be zero of each of the event. Okay, and for any arbitrary event A. Okay, A is an arbitrary event, capital A, okay, of the sample space, and such that probability of A is also not zero, it is more than zero, then we can define Bayes' theorem as probability of EI when A has already been occurred is equal to probability of EI into probability A when EI has already been occurred. Okay, divided by summation of probabilities EIs into probability A when EIs, all the EIs have been occurred. Okay, and I is ranging from 1 to n. Okay, this is the formula for Bayes' theorem. Okay, can you suggest any example for Bayes' theorem, class? Yes, Vita. Okay, suppose we have three. I give you an example for Bayes' theorem. When to apply Bayes' theorem? Suppose you have a factory, okay, and it has three plants. This factory has three plants, and factory manufactures kind of screws. Okay, it manufactures screws. Okay, now this manufactures 25% of defective screws. This manufactures 10% of defective screws, and this manufactures 5% of defective screws. Okay, now you have, I mean, just wait a minute. Okay, so this factory manufactures, it has three plants. Okay, it's a screw manufacturing factory. And plant A manufactures 25% of the defective bolts, defective screws, and it manufactures 10% and 5%. Okay, and suppose you have selected a defective screw. Okay, you have found a screw to be defective. And what is the probability of that this screw has been found from factory B? Okay, what is the probability that this screw has come from factory B? Okay, now there can be a straight question like, what is the probability of drawing a defective screw from the factory B? So it would be 10 by number of screws defective by manufactured by B. Okay, if B manufactured 500 screws per month and it manufactures 1000 screws per month, it manufactures 2000 screws per month. Okay, so what is the probability of getting a defective screw from the factory B? It is 10% of 500. Okay, now the question is asked in reverse order, means if you get any screw and you don't know from which plant you have got the screw and it is found to be defective, now what is the probability that it has come from the factory B? Is this okay? I hope the question is clear. Yes. Class, is this clear?
मैम एक बार क्वेश्चन वापस एक्सप्लेन कर दो.
Okay, let me explain. Suppose, class, you have a factory which manufactures screws. Okay, a factory has 3 plants, A, B, and C. A manufactures 25% of the defective bolts. It manufactures 10% defective. 5% defectives are found in plant C. अब जो टोटल प्रोडक्शन है उसमें से 1000 स्क्रूज पर मंथ सी मैन्युफैक्चर करता है, ये 500 करता है, ये 2000 करता है. Okay, now you have found a screw to be defective. What is the probability that it has come from the factory B, plant B? Okay, तो आपको जो screw defective मिला है, what is the probability that it has come from plant B? Okay, or it has come from plant A or from plant C. Okay, so if EI is the exhaustive event of mutually exclusive events of and exhaustive events, mutually exclusive and exhaustive events, such a probability EI is not zero. So let us consider E1 to be to get the defective bolt from this plant, E2 to get the defective bolt from this plant, and E3 from this plant. Okay. So EI, if EIs are these events and A is the event of getting a defective bolt. So what is the probability that it has come from plant B? Okay. So let us do a question based on this. Okay. Okay. See, you have a bag. The question is, okay, class, so let's start the question now. See, a bag contains 2 white. This contains 2 white and 3 red balls. Okay. This bag contains 2 white and 3 red balls. And there is another bag. Okay. It contains 4 white and 5 red balls. Okay. One ball is drawn at random from one of the bags. Okay. See, you don't know from which bag it has been drawn. Suppose this is bag A and this is bag B. Okay. Now one ball is drawn. Okay. One ball is drawn. ठीक है. One ball is drawn from one of the bag. और आपको नहीं पता कि कौन से बैग से बॉल निकाली है. ठीक है. You don't know from which bag it has been drawn. Okay. Now it is found to be red. Okay. The question is, it is found to be red. Okay. अब red ball निकल गई है. ठीक है. You have found the ball to be red. What is the probability that it has come from bag B? Tell me. Okay. So first of all, class, we have this question. How do we recognize whether this is from Bayes theorem or we can do it simply? I mean, how will you recognize? देखो, अगर मैं बोलती कि what is the probability of getting the, see, we will do the question both ways. Okay. See, if अगर ये पूछा होता आपसे कि what is the probability of getting a red ball from bag B? Okay, तो बताइए क्या probability होती? Yes, 5/9. Yes, tell me. बेटा बैग बी से रेड बॉल फाइंड आउट करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 5/9 है. यस. वन मोर थिंग, ए से फाइंड करने की 3/5 है. ओके, डन. अब अगर क्वेश्चन ऐसा होता, व्हाट इज द प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ गेटिंग अ रेड बॉल, बैग्स नहीं मेंशन होते आपको. सपोज यू आर नॉट गिवन द नेम ऑफ द बैग्स, तो क्या होता बताइए. कैसे आप उसको लिखते? देखो, अब आपके पास, अब आपको रेड बॉल ड्रॉ करनी है और आपको नहीं पता कि कौन सा बैग सिलेक्ट करना है. तो आपने अगर बैग ए को सिलेक्ट किया या बैग बी को सिलेक्ट किया, तो सिलेक्टिंग बोथ ऑफ द बैग्स विल कंट्रीब्यूट टू प्रोबेबिलिटी 1/2 और नॉट? ए बैग सिलेक्ट करेंगे, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी भी 1/2. इफ यू सिलेक्ट बैग बी, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी भी 1/2. तो 1/2 is the probability of selecting this bag and multiplied with the probability of getting a red ball from it. It is 3/5. Okay, plus अब अगर आपने बैग बी को सिलेक्ट किया, उसमें से रेड बॉल फाइंड आउट की, दिस प्रोबेबिलिटी विल बी 5/9. ठीक है, तो दिस वाज अ वेरी सिंपल क्वेश्चन. ओके, एंड इट इज ऑफ कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. व्हाट कंडीशन वाज देयर? कि अगर आपने ए बैग को सिलेक्ट किया तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ये होगी, एंड यू मल्टीप्लाई बिकॉज इट इज द कंबाइंड इवेंट. Either or. Okay, for or you add the cases. Okay, so plus if you select bag B, so probability will be 1/2 into the probability of drawing a red ball from this bag is 5/9. Okay, so ये total आपका, this will be your answer. The question has been asked in the reverse order, means one ball is drawn from one of the bag. Okay, you don't know from which bag the ball has been drawn, and it is found to be red. What is the probability that it has come from bag B? Okay, it has come from bag B. ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. टेल मी बेटा, ये समझ में आया कि आपको बेस थ्योरम ही अप्लाई करनी पड़ेगी इसमें, बिकॉज यू ऑलरेडी डोंट नो कि किस बैग से आपकी बॉल ड्रॉ हुई है, एंड इट इज फाउंड टू बी रेड. This exhaustive event A, arbitrary event A, okay, is getting a red ball from one of the bags. Okay, so we have to define the events E1 and E2. So let us consider E1 to be the event of getting a ball from bag A, E2 be the event for getting a ball from bag B, and A is the event of getting a red ball. Okay, I hope this is clear to everybody. Tell me. Yes, Bache?
Yes, ma'am.
Am I audible? Okay, okay. Just look at this sheet. Okay, so you had this case, 2 bags हैं आपके पास, ठीक है? So let us consider E1 to be the event of getting ball from bag A, and let us consider E to be the event of getting ball from bag B, and let us consider A to be the event that the ball is red or the ball drawn is red. Okay, so what shall be the probability of E1? Tell me. देखो बेटा, ये आपके दोनों बैग्स थे, ठीक है? अगर आप ए में से बॉल को ड्रॉ करते हो, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 और E2 मींस यू आर सेलेक्टिंग दीज 2 bags. Okay, so what I shall be writing here, this implies probability E1 will be 1/2 and probability E2 will be 1/2. Okay, so can you define the probability A? Probability A तो आप define नहीं कर सकते, ball drawn is red ना, बिकॉज आपको इसमें बताना पड़ेगा कि पहले कौन सा बैग आपने चूज किया ना, तब बॉल रेड निकलेगी. यस और नो? ओके, सो लेट अस कंसीडर व्हाट यू हैव टू फाइंड. प्लीज टेल मी कि जो बॉल ड्रॉन है, इट हैज कम फ्रॉम बैग बी. ओके, सो टेल मी. सो यू हैव टू फाइंड प्रोबेबिलिटी दैट द बॉल हैज कम फ्रॉम बैग बी, और बॉल ड्रॉन इज ऑलरेडी, टेल मी, रेड है, वो रेड है, ये आपको फाइंड आउट करना है. सो व्हाट इज द इवेंट व्हिच इज डिनोटिंग द रेड बॉल? ए. तो ए ऑलरेडी हो चुका है क्लास, ए हैड ऑलरेडी बीन अकर्ड. यस, बॉल ड्रॉन इज ऑलरेडी रेड एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड that it has come from bag B. Bag B मतलब E2. So we have to find probability E2 after A. So how it shall be defined using Bayes theorem? It will be, yes, it will be probability E2 divided by probability A after E2, I mean getting a red ball from the second bag, divided by probability E1 selecting the first bag into probability of getting a red ball from the first bag plus probability of selecting the second bag into probability of getting a red ball from the second bag. Tell me if it is clear or not. Bayes theorem का formula बताइए. Class, you have to find the ball is already being red and you have to find the probability of getting this red ball from the bag B. So E2 after A. Okay, and you already know probability of E2 selecting the second bag and probability of getting a red ball from the second bag A after E2 and divided by summation of all the possible cases. So probability E1 into probability A after E1 means E1 first bag is selected plus probability E2 into probability of getting a red ball from the second bag. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, class. So tell me what will be probability E1 we already have, probability E2 भी है हमारे पास. Probability A after E2 क्या होगा बताओ? If you select this second bag, A after E2 means getting a red ball from the second bag. So probability A after E2, tell me, red ball from the second bag. इसका मतलब है बेटा, second bag you have selected and getting a red ball out of it. Okay, A after E2. तो बताओ second bag में से red ball की probability will be 5/9. Yes or no? It will be 5/9. ठीक है. अब first bag से. So probability of getting a red ball from the first bag. So red ball from the first bag 3/5. 3 red balls हैं total 5 है तो it will be 3/5. अब आपको सारी values पता है, ये दोनों values भी, और E1 E2 you already know 1/2 1/2, so we can substitute the values over here. Okay, so therefore probability that this red ball has come from the second bag is equal to probability when the second bag is selected, that is 1/2, into probability of getting a red ball from the second bag is 5/9. यहाँ से लिख देंगे, डिवाइडेड बाय जब पहला बैग सेलेक्ट किया उसमें से रेड बॉल निकालने की प्रोबेबिलिटी 3/5, फिर सेकेंड रेड बैग सेलेक्ट किया हाफ प्रोबेबिलिटी और उसमें से रेड बॉल फाइंड आउट करने की प्रोबेबिलिटी इज 5/9. Okay, so tell me what will be the result, please. All of you, yes. Yes, beta. Hanji, class. Tell me. What will be the answer? I mean, after simplification.
.36.
Hanji, what will be the answer? It will be answer is. Hanji, बताइए. Anishant, what is the answer?
0.36.
0.36 है. Okay. Okay. Everybody is getting the same answer or not? Tell me. Okay. I hope the question is clear to everybody. So let's do a problem based on this. Okay. So class, can you see this particular problem number 4? If I show you the question, see, 4th question is visible to everybody or not? This question 4th. An insurance company. Yes, can you read the question clearly? I mean, is it visible? See, an insurance company insured 2,000 scooter drivers. 4,000 car drivers and 6,000 truck drivers. Okay, ये आपको पता है कि इतने लोगों को वो इंश्योरेंस देता है. The probability of accident is 0.01, 0.03, 0.15 respectively. कि स्कूटर ड्राइवर का एक्सीडेंट हो 0.01 प्रोबेबिलिटी, कार ड्राइवर का होगा 0.03 and 0.15 for truck driver. One of the insured person meets an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? Okay, please take the screenshot for this particular page so that you can also try out the questions. Question number 4 बेटा मैं पूछ रही हूँ, ठीक है? So you have to find what is the probability that he is a scooter driver. Okay, tell me how to solve this question. Take the screenshot, please. Okay, tell me. Yes, how will you proceed? हाँ जी बताइए class. Yes, any guesses how to do this particular problem? Okay, let me tell you, see. Yes, beta. See, there are 2,000 scooter drivers. Okay. This is page 4th question on the page 278, exercise 5.2. Okay. So you have 2,000 scooter drivers. I hope the screen is clearly visible. Okay, you have 2,000 scooter drivers. Okay, and 4,000 car drivers. Okay, then 6,000 truck drivers. Okay, and probability of accident. ठीक है, probability कि scooter driver का accident होगा उसकी probability है it's 0.01. Okay, let's not write this as E1. Okay, we'll decide this later. Probability that a scooter driver meets an accident is 0.01. Probability that a car driver meets an accident is 0.03. And probability that a truck driver meets an accident is 0.15. Okay, these are the probabilities given to you. Now you have that one insured person meets an accident. What is the probability that he is a scooter driver? Okay, tell me. Yes, an insured person meets an accident.
0.01.
So you have to find that what is the probability that he is a scooter driver. Okay. यानी आपको find out करना है बेटा, he has already accident हो चुका है. Okay, accident has already been occurred, and you have to find what is the probability that this particular insured person is a scooter driver. Tell me. So how should we decide A, E1 and E2 or E3? Tell me, bache.
E1 will be 1/6.
Why 1/6?
2,000 by sum of total. So 2,000 by 12,000, which is 1/6.
Okay.
Probability is 0.01.
Others, please tell me. Is it right to proceed like this? Is it the correct way? Yes, beta.
मैम even तो probability that he is a scooter driver ही होना चाहिए.
ठीक है, अच्छा. देखो वो कह रहा है कि if scooter driver meets an accident, let us consider A to be the event of meeting an accident. Okay, अब scooter driver meet करता है. देखो ये तो जो आपके this girl who was this Rakhi और कौन था ये?
Yes, ma'am.
Raki is right. Okay, let me tell you, देखो इंश्योरेंस कंपनी 2000 स्कूटर ड्राइवर को इंश्योरेंस देती है सिर्फ, है ना, वो इंश्योरेंस दे रही है। 4000 को इंश्योरेंस मिल रहा है और 6000 को इंश्योरेंस मिल रहा है ट्रक ड्राइवर्स को। ओके, सो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ अ स्कूटर ड्राइवर बीइंग इंश्योर्ड, उसकी सिर्फ इंश्योरेंस हुई है, तो प्रोबेबिलिटी ऑफ E1 2000 लोगों को इंश्योरेंस देता है, टोटल कितने हैं, टोटल है 2 and 4 6 and 6 12, तो 12000, ठीक है। अब उसने E2 अगर वो कार ड्राइवर्स को इंश्योरेंस देता है तो 4000 डिवाइडेड बाय 12000, देन ही प्रोवाइड्स इंश्योरेंस टू ट्रक ड्राइवर्स, तो ट्रक ड्राइवर है 6000 डिवाइडेड बाय 12000, so this probability will be 1/6, this will be 1/3 and this will be 1/2. Now the thing is, अगर किसी कार ड्राइवर इंश्योर्ड स्कूटर ड्राइवर का एक्सीडेंट होता है तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.01 है, मींस व्हाट, इट विल बी, देखो he is already a scooter driver and meeting the accident of a scooter driver, I mean if a scooter driver meets an accident, its probability is 0.01 which is already given. okay, यहाँ पर जो given है ऊपर, अब कार ड्राइवर है ऑलरेडी और उसका एक्सीडेंट हो गया, ऑलरेडी ही इज अ कार ड्राइवर, probability is 0.03, and the third thing is a truck driver, he is already a truck driver and he or she meets an accident, is 0.15. okay, so all these things are given to you and you have to find, see, already the person has met with an accident, A already हो चुका है, and what is the probability that he is a scooter driver, so even after A you have to find, so it will be reverse, आप ऐसे भी याद कर सकते हैं फॉर्मूला को, it will be E1 into probability A when scooter driver meets an accident divided by probability E2, sorry E1 से ही start करते हैं, into probability A when scooter driver meets an accident, okay, plus probability that he is a car driver into probability of car driver meeting an accident. He is already a car driver and he meets an accident. Okay, now probability of being a truck driver and probability of meeting the accident if he is already a truck driver. Is this okay? Class, tell me please, beta. Hanji.
Yes, ma'am.
ठीक है, now substitute the value and tell me the result please. Okay, if we substitute all the values, what we'll get, are these values visible to everybody? I mean दिख रही है ना सारी values, ये E1 E2 E3 है values. Okay, yes beta, put the values and get the answer please.
0.019.
Total answer, let me check. Fourth question, answer is 1/52 is the result. Yes,
Ma'am,
1/52.
it is only 0.01.
1/52 is 0.01.
0.01.
ओके ओके, ठीक है, तो क्लियर है सबको बेटा ये चीज बताइए, आई मीन हाउ टू प्रोसीड फॉर बेस थ्योरम। बेटा इफ यू डोंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट टू राइट E1 E2 E3 किसको लिखना है, आप सिर्फ जनरल स्टेटमेंट्स लिख दो, ठीक है। फिर आपने स्कूटर ड्राइवर लिखा, वो इंश्योर्ड था, उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी 0.01 वाज गिवन, कार ड्राइवर मीटिंग एन एक्सीडेंट इफ इज इंश्योर्ड is 0.03, truck driver who was insured meeting an accident probability was 0.15. okay, now you look at the problem, see the company insures these people only, okay, car driver, scooter driver and truck drivers, so in probability of being insured is this, and probability of meeting the accident after the person has been already insured is this. Now you have to find an insured person meets an accident and what is the probability that he is a scooter driver. Similarly, you can find, probability of meeting the person has already met an accident, and what is the probability that he is a car driver or he is a truck driver. Yeah, E2 after A, E3 after A. Similarly, you can find out. Tell me any doubts in Bayes theorem, beta?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so let's do one more problem on Bayes theorem. अच्छा, binomial, Poisson, continuous probability, इसमें किसी को कोई डाउट तो नहीं है क्लास? Continuous probability distribution, discrete probability distribution, or anything? Yes. Yes, so let's do this question number 7. If you can see the question, I think it's blurred. Is it clear or blurred, beta? Okay. मुझे तो यहाँ blurred दिख रहा है. आप बताएं, 7th question is clearly visible or not?
Yeah.
Yes, it's visible now. Okay, so a doctor is to visit a patient. Okay, question number 7th. Okay, a doctor is to visit a patient. From the past experience, it is known that probabilities that he will come by train, bus, scooter, or by any other means of transport are respectively these. Okay, and the probabilities that he will be late are 1/4, 1/3, 1/12 if he comes by train, bus, scooter respectively. But if he comes by other means of transport, then he will not be late. Okay, so when he arrives, he is already late. What is the probability that he comes by train? So it's an interesting question. Tell me. Tell me, beta. Is it of Bayes theorem or not? पहले तो आप ये identify करना सीखें. Should we apply Bayes theorem for this particular problem or not? देखो, doctor will be, yes, why? बेटा देखो, अगर वो बस से, ट्रेन से, बस से या स्कूटर से या अदर मीन्स ऑफ ट्रांसपोर्ट से जाता है तो उसकी प्रोबेबिलिटीज हैं. प्रोबेबिलिटीज आर ऑलरेडी गिवन. और वो लेट हो जाएगा, इसकी प्रोबेबिलिटी भी आपको गिवन है. ठीक है, E1, E2, E3, E4 you already have. So probability of being late when he goes by train is 1/4. Probability of being late when he chooses bus to be his mode of transport is 1/3. And probability of being late when he chooses scooter for his mode of transport is 1/12. And if he choose other means of transport, he will not be late, means the probability of getting late is 0 for that particular case. That's okay. So probability A after E4 is 0. Probability of being late. So let us consider A to be the event of being late. Okay, अगर A event है जो late हो रहा है, and if he chooses E4, तो probability late होना जब वो E4 को choose करे, तो A after E4 will be 0, and the person is already late. What is the probability that he comes by train? So can you people please solve this problem? 7th question. Yes, tell me. Yes, beta. Tell me if there is any difficulty, class. Okay, shall we start this problem? Or you will do it yourself? Yes, all of you, Aman, and I can see the list of attendees over here. Just tell me. Anji, 47 students have joined. Harshit, Manvi. Nishant, Princey, and Sahil's region, Sudhanshu, Yogesh, Naman Brigu. Is am I audible, beta? Tell me if there is any difficulty. Eben, Aditi, Abhishek Bhardwaj, Aryan. बेस थ्योरम क्लियर नहीं है ये बताओ पहले तो। हाँ जी नहीं क्लियर है तो बोलो बेटा, हम ये प्रॉब्लम भी करते हैं। चलो लेट्स डू दिस प्रॉब्लम। सी द डॉक्टर हैज टू विजिट द पेशेंट। ओके, प्रॉब्लम इज 7th on page number 278. See, you already have PDF for this book. I have shared with you all, so you can see the statement for all these problems. Okay, in the PDF. This is from exercise 5.2. Okay, so the doctor has to visit the patient. Okay. I don't know. I have put the phone in do not disturb mode, but still I'm getting calls on the phone simultaneously. Class, I will share the link for the lab also. ठीक है, G1 की शायद lab है. So I will share the link after this class. Okay, so let's start this problem now. See, the doctor has to visit the patient. From the past experience, it is known that the probability that he will come by train. Okay, so probability that he will come by train, probability that he will come by bus, probability he'll choose a scooter for as his mode of transport or other means. Okay, other means of transport. ये चारों आपको पता है। ट्रेन से अगर वो आता है तो let us call this as E1. Let us call this as event E2, this as event E3, and this as event E4. Okay. Just wait. Yes, it is in landscape mode now. Okay. So E1, E2, E3, E4 all are given probabilities. If he chooses this, it is 3 by 10. If he chooses bus is 1 by 5. If he chooses scooter is 1 by 10. And if he chooses other means of transport is 2 by 5. Okay. And the probability that he will be late. So let us consider A be the event that the person will be late. Okay. A be the event that the person or the doctor will be late. Okay. ऐसे लिख सकते हो. Okay. Person or the doctor will be late. Okay. So if he chooses train, okay, and the probability that he will be late is 1 by 4. ठीक है, ट्रेन से जाने की, ट्रेन से वो लेट होगा अगर वो ट्रेन चूज करता है और फिर वो लेट हो जाता है. ठीक है, probability if he chooses train and he is late is A after E1 is 1 by 4. Probability if he chooses bus and he gets late is 1 by 3. Probability if he chooses scooter, train, bus and scooter and he is late is 1 by 12. But probability if he chooses other means of transport is 0 because he will not be late by other means of transport. Simple. Now the person is already late. He is already late. And what is the probability that he has chosen scooter? Oh, train पूछा है तो E1 after A आपको find out करना है. That's it. Okay, so what shall be probability E1 after A? बोलिए जल्दी class. So probability E1 after A will be, tell me, probability even after A will be probability E1 into probability A after E1, मतलब अगर वो ट्रेन चूज कर चुका है, divided by probability E1 into probability of getting late when he chooses train plus probability of choosing bus into probability of getting late when he has already chosen bus plus probability of choosing scooter into probability of getting late when he has already chosen scooter plus probability of choosing other means of transport into probability, yes, getting late when he has chosen other means of transport. That's it. Better substitute all the values and tell me the answer, please. PE1 is 3 by 10 into 1 by 4 divided by, first term shall remain the same. It will be 1 by 5 into 1 by 3.
0.5.
Yes, 1 by 10 into 1 by 12. 2 by 5 into 0. Okay. Class, and you can recall the statement of Bayes theorem. Bayes theorem में था कि probability of events should not be 0. लेकिन ये जो 0 है, ये क्या है? This is the conditional probability. So conditional probability can be 0, but probability of the event should not be 0. Tell me the answer. Till then, I'll take the attendance. Please tell me answer. बताइए.
0.25.
Question is clear to everybody. Tell me. 7th question. What's the answer?
Yes, ma'am.
And जी 7th का क्या बता रहे हो आंसर?
0.25.
25 नहीं है बेटा. It's 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
1 by 2 है बेटा आंसर. Answer in the book is 1 by 2. Yes. Are you getting this as 1 by 2? एक बार चेक करो. 1 by 2 आना चाहिए. Let me download the attendance. Okay, I'll not be able to download the attendance because my ID has changed. Okay. ठीक है, मैं absentees का screenshot लेती हूँ because I have to take the permission for this. सारी चीजें हैं. क्लास ये क्लियर है आपको सब कुछ? बताइए. कोई डाउट तो नहीं है बेटा? बेस थ्योरम भी हो गया है. तो आपका जो T1 का सिलेबस है, T1 सिलेबस हमारा वही है. डिस्क्रीट, एक तो प्रोबेबिलिटी का जो बेसिक कॉन्सेप्ट्स हैं आपके, प्रोबेबिलिटी और कंडीशनल प्रोबेबिलिटी. ओके, ये सब है. फर्स्ट ये तो बहुत छोटा सा टॉपिक है. देन वी हैड रैंडम वेरिएबल्स. ओके, रैंडम वेरिएबल्स थे. फिर आपका डिस्क्रीट प्रोबेबिलिटी डिस्ट्रीब्यूशंस आ जाते हैं. ओके, कॉन्टिन्यूअस और डिस्क्रीट. देन वी हैड बेस थ्योरम भी इसमें ही आएगा. ठीक है, बेस थ्योरम भी बेसिक्स में इंक्लूड होता है. फिर आपका बाइनोमियल डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन था एंड वी हैड पॉइजन डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन. तो यही आपके T1 के टॉपिक्स हैं. ओके, नेक्स्ट वीक थर्सडे को विल हैव अ क्विज ऑफ 10 मार्क्स. वो होगी और ये टॉपिक्स हैं. नेक्स्ट वीक से आपका T2 का सिलेबस स्टार्ट होगा. तो अगर आपको कोई डाउट है बेटा तो पूछ लेना. ठीक है, बिकॉज नेक्स्ट वीक विल स्टार्ट विद T2 सिलेबस. अभी मैं अटेंडेंस लेती हूँ. आप प्लीज लीव नहीं करें because I will not have the record of the absentees. हाँ जी. please unmute yourself and tell me who is present in this lecture. This is 12. Okay. Yes, Aryan Srivastav.
Present, ma'am.
Bhardwaj, Ebin.
Present, ma'am.
I can see Aditi, Advite, Akash, Rawat. Akash, बताओ हो आप?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Anand
Present.
Prakash, Anand, I can see you in the list of attendees. Anand नहीं है, okay. Anish,
Present, ma'am.
Ankit Pandey, Ashish Kohli,
Present, ma'am.
Ashish Kohli, okay.
Present.
Okay. Bhavesh, Bhrigu,
Brigu present, ma'am.
Bhrigu present. Dipanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Dikraj, Durba, I can see
Present,
Durba. Yes. Gaurav,
Ma'am, Bhavesh
ma'am.
present.
Gaurav present. Ebin present. Ebin, I have already marked you present. I could see you.
Ma'am,
Dikraj,
Bhavesh present.
Bhavesh present. Okay. Anand Prakash और अंकित पांडे absent हैं. Gaurav, Gautam Suri, Govind,
Gaurav present, ma'am.
Yes,
Gaurav present. Govind present. Gautam, Harsh Mittal, Harshit और हिमांशु.
Ma'am, Harshit.
Himanshu present, ma'am.
हिमांशु present. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Harsh Mittal, Harshit Bhardwaj.
Present,
They are
ma'am.
not. Who?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am,
Harsh
Harshit.
Mittal. Harshit.
Present, ma'am.
Harsh Mittal, I can see you, but Harshit is not here.
Ma'am, I am present.
Harshit Bhardwaj, okay, Harshit. Ishika तो है नहीं. Jia Bhatia, Manan Mathur, Manvi Arora, Manvi present. Ishika
Ma'am,
नहीं
Manan
है.
present.
Manan present. Jia,
Present, ma'am.
Ronak, Jia present. Ronak,
Ma'am present. Ronak
Ronak
present,
and
ma'am.
Mohit. Ronak
Ma'am present.
Yes, Mohit. Okay. Monu, Murari Venkata.
Present, ma'am.
Murari Venkata.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Monu and Mohit absent. Naman Gupta, Neha Gautam.
Present, ma'am.
Naman present.
Okay. Nipun,
Present, ma'am. Nipun present.
Pranav Thakur, Pratyush Sharma,
Ma'am,
Pratyush, Prince,
present.
Princey, Princey present.
Princey present.
Princey present. Okay. Sahil Gill.
Ma'am, Princey present. Ma'am,
Yes,
Princey
yes,
present.
Princey, can you see the screen? Just notice you have marked present. Sahil,
Present, ma'am.
Saksham,
Yes, ma'am.
Sanchit,
Present, ma'am.
संजीव नहीं है. सात्विक बरेजा,
Present, ma'am.
सिद्धार्थ रावत,
हम सिद्धार्थ कह रहे हैं, उसका नेट नहीं चल रहा.
संजीव है. सृजन है.
Present, ma'am.
Ankit Pandey
सुधांशु,
his net was not working.
Present, ma'am.
अच्छा
Ankit
सुधांशु.
Pandey, just
Yes,
tag
ma'am.
the message of
अच्छा नेट नहीं चल रहा.
mic नहीं चल
Ma'am,
रहा.
मोनू भी.
माइक नहीं चल रहा. ओके.
Ma'am, मोनू का भी है.
क्या बात है बच्चे, सबकी प्रॉब्लम है. अच्छा. संजीव नहीं है. स्वाति नौटियाल, तनु बुद्धि.
Ma'am, present, Swati.
स्वाति present, but Tanu Buddhi, I can't see Tanu Buddhi. Tushar Juneja,
Yes, ma'am.
Vena Amreswara,
Present, ma'am. Amreshwar.
okay. Yogesh Arora, Shivangi Jetty,
Present, ma'am. Yogesh present.
Shivangi, Sonali,
Yes, ma'am. Sonali present.
शिवांगी नहीं है. अमन, अंकुर, निशांत.
Aman present, ma'am.
अंकुर, निशांत present. अंकुर है नहीं है अंकुर. Okay, so I am total 10 students are absent. You please take the screenshot.
Tanu Buddhi.
Tanu Buddhi, I can see him in the list. So these 10 students are absent. Please take the screenshot. Okay, these 10 I have also taken the screenshot. अंकुर हैंड रेज करने से नहीं होता बेटा, अटेंडेंस बोला करो. चलो अब लीव करो, लैब के लिए ज्वाइन करो जीवन ग्रुप. G2 कैन लीव.
Thank you, ma'am.
ओके. अंकुर बोल रहे हो?
Ankur is
अंकुर है.
saying it is not
हाँ
working.
अंकुर है. और कौन है? बार बार यही करते हैं. आनंद, विकराज नहीं है, गौतम नहीं है, इशिका तो होती नहीं है, मोहित नहीं है, एंड संजीव, स्नेहा, तनुबुद्धि किसने बोला था? तनुबुद्धि वाज देयर? तनुबुद्धि नहीं है. ठीक है. शिवांगी नहीं है एंड अंकुर सिंह. ओके. Ankur, I have updated your attendance and please join for lab. I am sharing the link for lab. Okay. Just wait. Okay. Thank you. We'll join for lab now.